Often we perceive spirituality as something seemingly disconnected from science. Throughout history and up to the present day, we have witnessed ideological debates between these domains, as if they were essentially antagonistic. However, I would like to demonstrate to you that these elements are intrinsically interconnected and that science can play a fundamental role in our understanding of the divine. Today, we will delve into one of the most intriguing questions of the universe, the divine frequency. Throughout the ages, humanity has sought to unravel its place in the world and the purpose of existence, whether through religion, philosophy, or science. However, the truth may be more straightforward than we imagine. Our world is made up of energy and vibration, with each element having its unique and special frequency. In this video, we will embark together on a journey to explore the intricate relationship between science and spirituality, outlining a deeper understanding of the divine and our connection to it. We will investigate spiritual practices and scientific techniques that converge, helping us raise our own vibration and discover the inner peace we so desire. Frequency is indeed a fundamental pattern that permeates the universe. However, it is not limited to the frequencies of elements like light or radio. It extends to everything in the cosmos, from microscopic particles to vast planets and galaxies. Essentially, every existing entity has its own distinctive frequency. But why is it so crucial to understand this in the context of the universe? The answer lies in how frequency is intrinsically related to energy. All entities in the universe are made up of energy, and frequency is the measurement that informs us about the amount of energy present in a wave. Now here's the most fascinating part. When we seek to establish a connection with something of divine nature, we can make use of frequency. This is because, since everything has a unique frequency, and energy is closely tied to that frequency, we can leverage this connection to establish a link with divine energy. However, how does frequency relate to God? Well, in many spiritual traditions, God is perceived as an energy present in everything that exists. Sometimes this energy is referred to as spirit, or by other terms. Regardless of the name attributed to it, the central idea is that this energy unites us and integrates us with something of higher dimensions. As mentioned earlier, frequency and energy are deeply intertwined. When we tune our own frequency to match the divine frequency, we are actually establishing a connection with the energy that permeates everything, which is God. In other words, when we adjust our frequency to be equal to the divine frequency, we are connecting with God. But how can we tune into the divine frequency and establish a connection with God? There are several spiritual practices that can assist us in this process. One of them is meditation, which helps us calm the mind and elevate our vibration. Other tools for tuning our resonance to the divine frequency include prayer, creative visualization, and enjoying music or sounds that evoke the sacred. When we harmonize with the divine frequency and establish this connection with God, we can feel the divine presence in our lives. We experience the peace, joy, and love that emanate from the universal energies, which represent God. The relationship between us and frequency is a universal truth that helps us understand our connection to the divine. Many may have doubts about the connection between God and frequency, but modern science provides us with concrete evidence of this relationship. Quantum physics reveals to us that everything in the universe is composed of energy and vibration. This leads us to question, could God also be somehow related to this energetic matrix? And what if God were a constant presence around us, requiring only patience and the learning of how to adjust our resonance to connect with God? Furthermore, quantum physics unveils something fascinating. Our perception of the world is intrinsically linked to our observation. Our thoughts and emotions play a role in what we perceive. This means that by tuning our inner frequency to the divine frequency, we have the potential to alter our perception of the universe and how we live our lives. By synchronizing with this special frequency, we can attract more love, positivity, and balance into our existences. Here arises an exciting concept brought by science, the unified quantum field. It's like an invisible mesh of energy and vibration that permeates everything. One can envision it as an invisible ocean of energy connecting all elements of the universe. Many thinkers believe that this unified quantum field is the same universal energy we identify as God. When we adjust our frequency to the divine frequency, we are establishing a connection with this unified quantum field and the source of this universal energy. Something remarkable happens at this moment. We can tangibly perceive the power and presence of God in our everyday lives, as if we were holding something truly special in the palms of our hands. Quantum physics teaches us that everything is made up of energy and vibration, and by tuning our frequency to the divine, we can connect with the source of this universal energy. I invite you to delve deeper into these ideas and to experience the benefits of tuning into the divine frequency in our lives. Perceiving the frequency or presence of God represents one of the most intimate and impactful experiences within reach of human beings. This experience can manifest in multiple ways, varying from person to person. It can be a warm feeling of inner serenity, the perception of a nearby presence, or even a physical vibration felt in the body. For some, it may represent a profound sense of gratitude, joy, or unconditional love. However it manifests, the experience of feeling the frequency or presence of God is truly transformative. It leads us to an understanding of the unity that embraces all things and makes us feel an integral part of a vast and fascinating universe. Tuning into the divine frequency enables us to access a source of wisdom, guidance, and inspiration. This connection helps us connect with our deepest essence, finding meaning and purpose in the journey of life. So if you've had the privilege of experiencing the frequency or presence of God, know that you are not alone in this experience. It can be a valuable guide along your path, assisting you in overcoming challenges and uncovering the true meaning of human existence. Connecting with the divine frequency is one of the most profound and powerful experiences we can have as human beings, allowing us to understand universal interconnectedness and access an endless source of wisdom, direction, and inspiration. Through tuning into the divine frequency, we have the opportunity to enrich our lives with authenticity, wholeness, satisfaction, and purpose. However, this connection with the divine frequency is also an experience that propels us to explore the deepest truths of our existence. It inspires us to question our own identity and the underlying reason for our journey in this world. With that in mind, I invite you to continue your journey towards the divine frequency and to open yourself to the possibility of experiencing this connection with universal energy. Be aware that the pursuit of the deepest truths of your existence is a journey of immeasurable value, as it can lead you to the discovery of the meaning and intrinsic beauty of life itself. And if you're interested in learning about a new metaphysical technique that helps your brain operate at a higher frequency to attract more joy and prosperity into your life, check out the link I'll be leaving in the first pinned comment.